and welcome to this session on Drill for Riveting. Let us begin with the session.
Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to punch the correct size holes using a solid punch, rivet the snap head rivets with the help of rivet set, a rivet snap, a dolly using ball peen hammer to make single riveted lap and butt joint. Form the rivet heads of snap head. First, let us learn what is a rivet. A rivet is a permanent mechanical fastener used to join two or more metal sheets. Next, let us see what is drilling. Drilling is a metal cutting process carried out by a rotating cutting tool to make holes in solid materials. Let's now list the tools required for riveting. Wooden mallet, steel rule, tri-square, straight snip, scriber, C-clamp, center punch, ball peen hammer, drill bit, portable drilling machine, chuck key. Rivet countersink head rivet, flat head rivet, snap head rivet and pan head rivets. Let us first learn the preparation of sheet metal and layout spacing for many types of rivet. Mark and cut 8 workpieces of the given raw material to the size of 50 by 48 mm using a steel rule and snip. Flatten the sheets on the dressing plate. In the single riveted lap joint, the plates are overlapped at the ends. Prepare the layout spacing for countersink head riveting as per the drawing. Next, let us learn the procedure for preparation of layout spacing for rivet holes for lap joints. Calculate the diameter D of the rivet with respect to the thickness T of the sheet to be joined. Diameter of the rivet D is equal to 2.5 into T. We know that the thickness of the sheet T is 1.2 mm, which is equal to 2.5 into 1.2 mm, which gives 3 mm. An allowance of 0.2 mm can be given to rivet hole diameter and 5 rivet holes have to be drilled. Hence, total diameter of the hole to be drilled is 3.2 mm. That the part 1 and 2 are positioned such that the drilled holes are aligned. Insert 3 mm diameter countersink head rivet in the center hole. Two lines of 6 mm are marked on face A from face B and face D respectively using a scribber and tri-square. The distance of the initial rivet hole from face B and face D is equal to diameter into 2, which is equal to 3 into 2, which is equal to 6 mm. Let us now learn about the riveting with different types of rivet. Form the rivet head for countersink with the help of a rivet set using a ball peen hammer. Drill the remaining holes on the bottom piece of the sheet through the holes already drilled on the part 1 sheet. For drilling 5 rivet holes as per the drawing, the height of the sheet is 2D plus 3D plus 3D plus 3D plus 3D plus 2D, which is equal to 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6, which is equal to 48 mm. The distance from the edge of the sheet to the line of the overlap is 4 times the diameter of the rivet, which is 4 into 3 mm, which is equal to 12 mm. Dolly. It is used to support the head of the rivet, which is already formed, and also to prevent damage. Mark for the holes to be drilled on the sheets as per the layout prepared for lap joint using tri-square and scribber, and separates the mandrel of the rivet. Cut the 2 sheet metal pieces to size of 48 mm into 50 mm. Chalking tool. It is used for closing down the edges of the plates and heads of the rivets to form a metal to metal. Cut the sheet metal to a size of 48 mm into 24 mm. Helps to make fluid tight joints. Insert a 3 mm diameter snap head rivet in after placing. Next, let us learn the procedure for preparation of layout spacing for rivet holes for butt joints. The calculations for the layout spacing of rivets on the sheets for the butt joints are similar to the lap joints as previously discussed. Mark both the sheets of 48 mm into 50 mm as per the prepared layout spacing. Support the rivet head placed in the central hole using a dolly from the bottom. Place the rivet snap on the shank of. If the strap is provided on one side of the metal sheets to be joined, it is called single strap, and if it is provided on both sides of the metal sheets to be holes of 3.2 mm. Height of the strap is calculated as follows: 2D plus 3D plus 3D plus 3D plus 3D plus 2D, which is equal to 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 6, which is equal to 48 mm. Mark the parallel lines on face A at a distance of 6 mm, 15 mm, 24 mm, 33 mm and 42 mm from face B on using height gauge. Deburr the holes with a larger sized drill, rotating it on drilled holes by hand. Butt the edges of the workpieces to be joined. Place the strap over them. Set it correctly as per the drawing and ensure that the alignment is done properly on. Let us now learn the riveting of flat head rivet. Insert a 3 mm flat head rivet in the center hole of the butt pieces and strap. Mark drill holes on the sheets as per the layout prepared for butt joint using tri-square and scribber. Deburr the holes with the larger sized drill, rotating it on the punched holes by hand. Insert the rivets in alternative holes into 1.2 mm, which gives 3 mm. That the part 1 and 2 are positioned such that the drilled hole. Insert the rivets in alternate holes and form the rivet heads by following the previously mentioned riveting procedure to make single riveted single in single strap butt joint riveting with single row rivet. It has one row of rivet on either side of the butt. Now let us learn about the procedure for the preparation of sheet metal for. Check the size of all 3 sheets of metal using a steel rule. Flatten the sheets.
To recap, we have learned to prepare the layout spacing for lap and butt rivet joint. Mark the drill holes as per the drawing. Perform clamping and punching of sheet metal. Perform drilling of hole using portable drilling machine. So that's all about drill for riveting. Hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. See you in the next session.